Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Hopefully we are in a good conditions everywhere and anywhere. Okay, my dear students, welcome back to our lesson. With me, Miss Mutia. Today's topic is about descriptive text, my dream. But before we come to the next, let's we say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, here we go. Descriptive text, my dream. Here we have my mapping about my dream. There are 6 chapters how to make descriptive text about dream. The first, introduce yourself. Second, what is your dream? And third, why do you want to be your dream? Or reason. And fourth, what does your dream look like? And the fifth, how to realize your dream. And the last, say thanks. The first is introduce your name. For example, you can write down in your paper like this. Hi guys, my name is Umar and I'm going to tell you about my dream. And the second, what do you need to know before describing it? Yeah. The second, what is your dream? For example, your dream is being a doctor. Here we have some example of the sentence. How to write down what is your dream? The first, my dream is being a doctor. Or, I have a dream in the future. I want to be a teacher someday. And the third, why do you want to be that dream? Or a reason? Of course, you have a reason when you want to be that dream, yeah? For example, in the sentence, we have 2 examples here. Okay, the first, doctor can cure everyone without any exceptions. Besides, doctor always looks smart and cool. Artinya, dokter itu bisa menyembuhkan semua orang tanpa memilih-milih ya. Selain itu, dokter juga terlihat sangat pintar dan keren. Or the second, teachers can teach children without choosing their students. Besides, the teacher looks very cool and unpretentious. Okay, di sini artinya guru bisa mengajar murid tanpa memilih-milih muridnya. Selain itu juga, guru terlihat sangat keren dan sangat bersahaja. Okay, and the next, what does your dream look like? Seperti apa sih dream kalian nantinya? Atau tampilannya nanti ketika kalian mewujudkan mimpi tersebut. For example, he wears a white coat while working. He always has a friendly smile in his face and smiling to every people who come to him. Doctor always be helper for sick people. So, if you want to be a doctor, you can write down in your paper like this. Dia menggunakan jas putih ketika bekerja. Dia selalu memiliki senyum yang sangat ramah di mukanya dan tersenyum pada orang-orang yang menemuinya. Dokter selalu menjadi penolong bagi orang-orang yang sakit ya. Okay, the next number 5. How to realize your dream. Bagaimana sih mewujudkan mimpi kalian atau stepnya? Example in a sentence, you can choose one of these sentences. Okay, for the first, to make my dream come true, I have to study hard and be optimistic. Atau artinya, untuk mewujud mimpi saya harus belajar lebih giat dan selalu percaya diri. Atau, for the second, I believe I can make my dream come true by reading lots of books, trying and praying. Artinya, saya percaya saya bisa mewujudkan cita-cita saya dengan membaca banyak buku, terus berusaha dan berdoa. And the next, say thanks. Example in the sentence, you can choose one of these sentences. For the first, okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for your listening. Okay, atau for the second, yang kedua, well guys, that's my dream. Now tell me about yours. Thank you. Artinya, oke teman-teman, itulah mimpi saya. Sekarang ceritakan tentang mimpi kamu. Terima kasih. Okay, my dear student, here we have a complete example of my dream. Hi guys, my name is Umar and I'm going to tell you about my dream. I have a dream in the future. I want to be a doctor someday. Doctor can cure everyone without any exceptions. Besides, doctor always looks smart and cool. He wears a white coat while working. He always has a friendly smile in his face and smiling to every people who come to him. Doctor always be a helper for sick people. To make my dream come true, I have to study hard and be optimistic. Well guys, that's my dream. Now tell me about yours. Thank you. Oke, anak saya, jadi inilah contohnya, contoh komplit dari my dream, descriptive text my dream. Jadi halo teman-teman, nama saya Umar dan saya akan menceritakan tentang mimpi saya. Saya memiliki mimpi di masa depan. Saya ingin menjadi seorang dokter ya suatu hari. Dokter bisa menyembuhkan semua orang tanpa memilih ya, tanpa terkecuali. Selain itu, dokter selalu terlihat pintar dan keren. Dia menggunakan jas putih ketika bekerja. Dia selalu tersenyum ramah di mukanya atau di wajahnya dan selalu tersenyum kepada orang-orang yang datang atau menemuinya. Dokter selalu menjadi penolong bagi orang yang sakit. Untuk mewujudkan mimpi saya harus belajar dengan giat dan percaya diri dan optimis. Baiklah teman-teman, itulah mimpi saya. Sekarang ceritakan tentang kamu. Terima kasih. Oke, nah Ustazah, inilah contohnya. This is an example of descriptive text of my dream. Now you can write down by yours ya. Kalian bisa tuliskan yang kalian masing-masing di kertas catatannya. Okay, and don't forget to collect this assignment on your Google Classroom. Thank you so much for your nice attentions, my dear. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.